Welcome again to another one of our product support how-to series. Today we're going to be talking about the operation and assembly of the Geriatric Hearing Impairment Simulator. So here is the setup. You have your device, your batteries, your headphones, cable to connect headphones to device, and also hearing pad covers. Begin by installing the batteries into the hearing impairment simulator. Start by making sure plus and minuses are in the correct position. Otherwise, the device will not turn on. Go ahead and lock the cover. And for sanitary reasons, put an ear pad cover over each of the headphones. And then connect to the device. Here is your on-off switch. Flip the device to on, and the first light that comes on is the green light. And that is your standard hearing mode, normal hearing mode. Make sure that the aging dial is all the way to the minus sign, and then you can increase and decrease the volume as necessary. Next, press this button right here. The red light comes on, and now you are in the tinnitus mode. Press this button one more time, and now it is in the dementia mode. And here the sound will be unintelligible and confusing. Turn the volume control dial to increase or decrease the volume of the sound. And the final condition, one more, takes you back to the normal mode. And here, you'd want to adjust the aging dial to simulate the slow decrease in volume in the operator's ears. And when you are done, flip the switch off. And then, while in storage, it is always best to remove the batteries when not in use for long periods of time.